Hello ladies and gentlemen and everything in between, welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the ST Dupont fake that I have, and a viewer requested that I show how to maintain this, so I'm going to. So what you're going to need, some nice butane. I like the Vector brand, you can pick whatever you want. You're going to need some sort of a butane bleeding tool, like this, the cigar prop butane tool. And you're gonna need some flints. Well, a flint. So let's get the flint. There we go. So first, what I would do is I would take this here and turn this one here. This is your flame adjustment. I don't know if you can see that. This flame adjustment here. So, yeah, right there. Flip that and turn it down so you're not leaking gas while you're doing this. See, no gas. But anyway, so what you're going to want to do is press this in right here. See this little latch? You press this down. But when I do it, I put my finger over this because it's going to slide back, and if you don't do that, it'll come undone. Alright, so let that slide back, and then, it can come all the way off, that's fine. So put that down here, get rid of the old flint, put a new flint in, drop it in right in here. Oop. Well, I lost that one. So I got another one here. There you go. Down in here. See it in there? Put this back. This top piece. Put it back on here. And you're going to want to slide it forward a little bit. On these, it's pretty tight. So slide this forward a little bit and get a couple of sparks to seat it properly, and then press all the way forward and you'll hear it click. Alright. So that's the flint change. You might have to strike the wheel a couple times as you're pushing it forward, because if you think of it this way, the flint wheel, let's say this is the flint wheel and this is your flint. It's kind of a tight fit in there, and so when you want to strike the flint a little bit, so it doesn't take up as much room, and then you can probably close it. So now we're going to refuel it. So take this other side here. This unscrews completely. It's a little fiddly. Set that to the side, don't lose that. And then you're going to want to bleed with a butane tool. Bleed the rest, or you could use a pen or any pointy object. Release all the gas. Take your butane. Never shake butane because it introduces air into the mixture and it's bad on your lighters. So, take off this. Carefully turn it upside down. Oops. Hard to do on camera. I listened for a change in pressure. It's my dog over there, shaking her tags. And then to go an extra mile, I'll take the butane tool again. I don't wait for the hissing to stop, I just wait till it calms down a bit. And then go back in. Put your cap back on. Adjust your fuel up a little bit. Let it sit for a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to put my tools up. So ideally, you want this to cool down because this is kind of cold to the touch a little bit. So you want this to warm up and you want the fuel to depressurize and, you know, the pressure to stabilize. So just wait a few. Maybe warm it up in your hand a little. Need to adjust the fuel up a little bit. And there we go. You got a working lighter. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.